Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Upwards game. First, set up the 10x10 game board. Each player then draws 7 letter tiles from the bag. The objective is to score points by creating words on the board, either horizontally or vertically. You'll be building words and stacking letters throughout the game, aiming for the highest score possible. Get ready to strategize your word placements. To start, the first player places a word on the center square of the board, reading either across or down. All subsequent words must connect to at least one letter already on the board. You can form entirely new words or extend existing ones. Remember, each word must be valid and found in a standard dictionary. This is where your vocabulary comes into play, so choose your words wisely. Upwards is unique because you can stack letters up to 5 tiles high on the board. When you stack, each letter in your new word scores 1 point. Additionally, you get 1 extra point for every tile beneath it in that stack. If you create a word where all letters are at a single height, you earn a bonus of 20 points. This stacking mechanic adds a fun, 3-dimensional challenge to word building. The game concludes when all the letter tiles have been drawn from the bag and one player successfully uses their very last tile. At this point, all other players must deduct 5 points from their score for each tile remaining on their rack. After these final deductions, everyone tallies their total points. The player who has accumulated the highest score is declared the winner of the Upwards game. Good luck!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.